What if you could turn any book into a complete audiobook with just one click? No recording, no editing, and no expensive software. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to convert your books into professional quality audiobooks using VoiceDelta in just a few minutes. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert any book into an audiobook with a single click using VoiceDelta. For this tutorial, I've selected a book and copied its text. To keep this video short, I'll pause and fast forward through the copying process. The book I'm using contains around 80,029 characters. Once the text is ready, I'll choose my preferred voice. I recommend selecting one of the instant synthesis voices because they are much faster at generating audio while still delivering great quality. After selecting the voice, simply click Generate Master and the audiobook creation process will begin automatically. Now we just need to wait for the generation to complete. The best part is that VoiceDelta is cloud-based, so you can even close your browser or leave the website. The processing will continue in the background. Later, you can come back and check the progress from the History tab. I'll pause the video here and return once the generation is finished. As you can see, the audiobook has been generated successfully. Let's play a short sample so you can hear the quality for yourself. I'll also download the audio and compare it with the original book text to verify the results.
A nightmare seized him from sleep, turned around his throat, and filled his mouth so full he could not cry out. Desperate for air, he opened his eyes onto a moonless night that denied him the face of his attacker.
As you can see, everything has been converted accurately and the final audiobook is approximately 1 hour and 22 minutes long. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more AI tools and automation tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.